To preserve battery health in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the battery options. When you enter them, go to battery health, and then first of all you can see your maximum battery capacity, which acts as your battery health. Then there's the option for smart charging. You can enable this, and this will slow down your battery aging. Your device will learn on your charging habits and adjust the charging patterns accordingly. When battery level reaches 80%, it may automatically defer the charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it. So how it works is basically if you're charging your phone on a regular basis, like for example during a night, then your phone will learn that pattern and charge it overnight to 80%, then leave it at 80% when it reaches that 80% mark, and after that, right before you're gonna wake up, it should charge to 100%. And as I said, if you're charging your phone on a regular basis during night, for example, this option is great. If not, then I would just recommend to go for custom charging limit and put it on 80 like this. And that is basically everything. There's also a resume charging at 95%. Charging automatically stops when the battery is fully charged and resumes when your battery level drops below 95%. So if you're charging your phone and your phone reaches 100%, then it will stop charging. And when your battery drops to 95%, even when your charger is plugged in, it will just resume back to 100. So now we covered all of those battery health options, and you can choose which one you want to use. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.